Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope every one of you keeping fine and staying safe at home. Please stay at home and stay safe. That is the best thing you can do during this pandemic situation. And we are also absolutely safe and keeping fine here. Always staying in the room. So anyways, let's have another reaction video today, and for today's reaction video we have taken a Bodo film trailer and a fight scene, so we are going to see on that, and the name of the movie is Ganja Pagla. Okay, so please do subscribe our channel and please do continue to support us and stay tuned to our channel. So let us watch together and enjoy the view, enjoy the movie, and let's watch and see how it is.
Let's start the video.
Let's start the video. Dhiraj production. Please.
मानसिनि जिउ माब्ला मा जायो रावबो बुंस' हाया दिनै दंब्ला गाबोन गैया नोंसिम रादासिम आं अराय सम नोंनि खाथियावनो थाबाय थागोन सार जोंनि गामियाव सानैसो गाज्रि मानसि जाफैदों गान्जा ड्राग्सनि फालांगिया बांलांनो हमदों नोंसोर सियर नमारदोंना
That ganja is that what people is to smoke and take, right?
Cocaine.
The cocaine, yeah. So that is the one, ganja here.
Wow.
I like that bass.
Nice voice.
Nice. Wow. Ganja Pagla, directed by Pankaj, Lahary.
आं सानसेखौ समाय बावदों आं गासिबो रांखौ हरफिनजोबसिगोन नोंनि रांखौ जोंनो नांला मानसिखौनो बुथारना खाथिदों
Better garden.
खानाय दारियानो फिसादिया माजों गानजाजोबो नोंलाय ना नोंबो बाखि सुग्रा
So curly, man. Yeah. When they smoke,
I don't like this one.
Ganja.
Ini kalian dari ujungnya.
Wow. Once again. I like that spinning.
Ini kalian dari ujungnya.
Wow. Super. Negative effects also not bad. Wah. So guys, movie is so exciting, okay? It is so exciting, and trailer is so much giving us that kind of eagerness to know what's happening, and it seems to be very good and fantastic, and action scenes are really unbelievable. They have a lot of martial arts skill.
Yes.
Yes, all of them they learn martial arts, and especially the hero, he is super duper super upper. It is all about a ganja, I think selling ganja. Yeah, and that hero also becomes addicted to ganja at the end. He drinks or he smokes ganja. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoyed watching with us together, and wish to see you again in another video next time. Please do subscribe our channel, stay tuned to our channel, please support us, and see you next time.